Welcome to the wild heart of Southeast Asia, where the air is thick with humidity and the jungle pulses with life at every turn. Here, two formidable creatures are locked in a timeless struggle for survival, the elusive Burmese python and the powerful wild boar. Today we witness a battle of opposites: stealth versus aggression, patience versus power. Each animal brings its own unique set of skills to the table, honed by generations of adaptation to this unforgiving environment. The python is a master ambusher, blending seamlessly into the jungle floor, its patterned scales making it nearly invisible among the leaves and shadows. It waits, motionless, for hours or even days, ready to strike with lightning speed when the opportunity arises. The wild boar, in contrast, is a tank on four legs, charging through the undergrowth with brute force and razor-sharp tusks. Its muscular body and fierce temperament make it a force to be reckoned with, capable of defending itself against most predators. When these two meet, it's not just a fight, it's a clash of evolutionary strategies, a test of which approach will prevail in the relentless jungle. Will the python's crushing strength and suffocating coils outmatch the boar's raw ferocity and relentless spirit, or will the boar's aggression and sharp tusks prove too much for the snake to handle? Both are perfectly adapted to the dense jungle, but their paths inevitably cross near water sources or along well-trodden animal trails, where the stakes are highest and every encounter could mean life or death. Today, we'll break down their strengths, their natural weapons, and what really happens when these titans collide in the wild. Get ready for a wild showdown, python versus boar, where survival is the only rule and nature's drama unfolds in its rawest, most thrilling form. The Burmese python is a true giant, often exceeding 16 feet and weighing over 200 pounds. Its patterned skin provides perfect camouflage, letting it vanish among leaves and shadows. This snake is the ultimate ambush predator, waiting motionless for hours, sometimes days, near game trails or water. It senses prey with a forked tongue and heat-sensing pits, striking with lightning speed when the moment comes. The python's weapon isn't venom, but pure muscle, seizing prey with backward-curving teeth and coiling its body in a deadly embrace. Constriction suffocates the victim quickly, a swift and efficient kill. But the python's size is also a weakness. It's slow and vulnerable if caught in the open. Surprise is everything. If the prey detects the snake, the python loses its edge. Against a large, alert animal, the python's strategy can fall apart. Its power is undeniable, but only when the ambush is perfect. The wild boar is a powerhouse, muscular, aggressive, and fiercely adaptable. Adult males can weigh over 400 pounds, protected by a thick hide and a grisly shoulder shield. Their main weapons, razor-sharp tusks, constantly honed and ready to slash deep wounds. When threatened, a boar charges with explosive speed, using its tusks to devastating effect. Unlike most prey, a boar fights back. Its aggression and agility make it a nightmare for predators. Even large carnivores think twice before attacking a full-grown boar. Piglets, however, are vulnerable, small, weak, and lacking tusks. They're prime targets for predators like the python. The adult's strategy is to end fights quickly, with overwhelming force. But if a battle drags on, even a boar can tire. Still, its combination of armor, weapons, and attitude makes it one of the jungle's toughest survivors. Few predators can match a boar in a direct fight. Picture a massive Burmese python lying in wait near a muddy wallow, perfectly camouflaged. A group of boars arrives, piglets trailing behind. One piglet strays, just enough for the python to strike. In a flash, the snake clamps down, coiling its powerful body around the piglet. The piglet's struggles are frantic but futile. The python's grip tightens with every breath. The mother sow charges, but the python's attack is swift and focused. Even as the sow slashes at the snake, the python doesn't let go. The outcome is almost certain. The piglet is subdued before any rescue is possible. The python drags its meal away, victorious. Here, the snake's ambush and strength are perfectly matched to its prey. Young boars are simply no match for a giant constrictor. Even a protective mother can't stop a well-executed python attack. In this scenario, the python reigns supreme. Now, imagine a different scene. A massive 15-foot Burmese python caught out in the open, its patterned scales glinting in the sunlight as it glides across the grassland. There's nowhere to hide, no cover to slip beneath, and every movement is exposed to the world. Suddenly, it finds itself face to face with a full-grown male wild boar, a formidable opponent, bristling with muscle and aggression, eyes locked on the snake. The element of surprise is gone. Both animals are fully aware of each other, their bodies tense and ready for a fight. The air is thick with anticipation as predator and prey size each other up. With a sudden burst of energy, the boar charges, its razor-sharp tusks aimed to kill, hooves pounding the earth as it closes the distance in seconds. The python reacts instantly, launching a powerful strike, jaws wide and fangs bared, but the boar's thick, armored hide and shielded shoulders absorb the attack, barely flinching under the assault. Constriction is nearly impossible. The boar is simply too big, too strong, and thrashes violently, making it impossible for the snake to get a proper grip or wrap its coils around the boar's body. The boar's tusks slash deep, inflicting devastating wounds on the snake's muscular body. Each swipe is a reminder of the boar's raw power and deadly weaponry. The python's body, built for squeezing and stealth, can't withstand such sharp trauma. Its scales are no match for the boar's slashing tusks, and blood stains the grass. The fight is brutal, but short. The boar's relentless aggression and natural weaponry quickly overwhelm the snake, leaving it battered and broken. The python is left mortally wounded, unable to escape or defend itself, its strength fading with every passing moment. In a direct confrontation, the wild boar dominates, standing victorious over its fallen adversary. The boar's speed, brute power, and lethal tusks are simply too much for even a giant python to handle in open combat. For the snake, the only hope of survival is a perfect ambush, striking unseen from the shadows. Without that advantage, the boar wins decisively, time and again. In this unforgiving arena, the wild boar reigns supreme, its dominance clear for all to see. What if the python ambushes a subadult boar, strong, but not fully grown? The snake manages a partial grip, but the boar fights back with panic and fury. The python squeezes, burning energy, while the boar thrashes, kicking and slashing with its tusks. Each tusk strike tears into the snake, weakening its hold. The python's constriction is powerful, but the boar's attacks are immediate and damaging. As the struggle drags on, the boar's chances improve. A deep wound can force the snake to release, or even kill it outright. The python's skin isn't armor. Sharp tusks can end the fight quickly. Even if the snake kills the boar, it may die from its wounds. In a prolonged battle, the boar's weapons and determination often turn the tide. The python's best chance is a quick, clean kill. Otherwise, the boar can fight its way free. Endurance and weaponry favor the boar. Side by side, the Burmese python and wild boar represent two extremes of combat. One is a master of silent, suffocating strength, while the other is a whirlwind of raw, untamed aggression. Their battle is not just a clash of animals, but a collision of two very different survival philosophies. The python's strength is in its crushing, patient grip, unstoppable if it lands a perfect ambush. Every muscle in its body is designed for constriction, turning its prey's last breath into a slow, inevitable defeat. It waits, motionless, for the perfect moment to strike. Its entire body is built for one purpose, to squeeze the life from its prey. This method is silent, efficient, and terrifyingly effective, especially against unsuspecting victims. The boar, meanwhile, is all about explosive power, charging, slashing, and ending fights fast. It doesn't wait for the perfect moment. It creates chaos and seizes opportunity in the heat of battle. Its thick hide and shoulder shield act as natural armor, while its tusks deliver lethal blows. These adaptations make it a formidable opponent, able to withstand attacks and retaliate with deadly force. The python relies on stealth and a single decisive move. It blends into its surroundings, becoming nearly invisible until it strikes with lightning speed. The boar thrives in chaos, able to defend and attack with equal ferocity. Its unpredictable movements and relentless energy make it a nightmare for any predator. If the python misses its ambush or targets an animal too large, its strategy collapses. It becomes vulnerable, forced to retreat and wait for another chance. The boar, however, can adapt, charging, slashing, or simply outlasting its opponent. Its intelligence and stamina allow it to change tactics mid-fight, turning the tables on even the most cunning adversaries. In a direct fight, the boar's versatility and aggression give it the upper hand. It can switch from defense to offense in an instant, overwhelming foes with sheer determination. The python's power is specialized, the boar's is all-purpose. One is a master of ambush, the other, a champion of adaptability. This makes the boar a far more dangerous opponent in most encounters. Its ability to fight, flee, or intimidate gives it a crucial edge in the unpredictable jungle. In the jungle, adaptability often wins. Here, survival belongs not just to the strongest, but to those who can change, react, and outthink their rivals at every turn. After weighing their strengths and weaknesses, the verdict is clear. The Burmese python is a formidable predator, but against an adult wild boar, it's outmatched. The python's only real chance is ambushing a small or young boar. Here, its stealth and strength are lethal. But in any direct fight with a mature boar, the snake is at a severe disadvantage. The boar's weight, speed, aggression, and tusks create an arsenal the python can't counter. Constriction is useless against a thrashing armored opponent. The boar's tusks can inflict fatal wounds long before the snake can subdue it. In the wild, the boar's raw power and weaponry make it the victor. The python survives by picking its battles. An adult boar is simply too risky. In this clash of titans, the boar usually walks away the winner. This showdown highlights two evolutionary paths, specialist versus generalist. The python is a master ambusher, relying on stealth and a single perfect attack. Its power is unmatched when the conditions are right, but the wild boar is built for confrontation. Thick hide, powerful body, and lethal tusks. The boar's aggression and armor directly counter the python's strengths. Even if the snake manages a grip, the boar's tusks are a mortal threat. The python needs everything to go perfectly. The boar thrives in chaos. That's why adult boars are rarely targeted by giant snakes. The boar's toughness and weaponry make it one of the few animals a python avoids. In the end, the boar's raw power and adaptability triumph over the python's specialized strength. In the jungle, versatility and ferocity win the day.